In today's video, I want to show you exactly how I used to contact creative agencies and ad agencies. I don't do it like this now, but the reason is because I have an agent. He can turn up with my book and show it. He knows people, people know people. It's good to have these connections, these links, and that's why you pay such a commission. It's not just on them actually negotiating the fee and having producers come in. It's also them getting you the work to a certain extent. End of the day, your portfolio is your business card, but I digress. Step number 1, find all the agencies in the area that you're targeting. Open up all the tabs, scroll through them, get a good understanding as to who they are, what they are, and then whether you fit with them. Ad agencies are so broad and they do so many different things. You've got to find the right ones. Get that list sorted, then start a column on an Excel spreadsheet with the name of the agency, email address, telephone number. First thing you do, which is what most of you won't do because you'll chicken out, you pick up your phone and you phone them up. You get through to the receptionist. Hey, it's Scott. Hello. And I go, brilliant. So what was your name? Get their name. Make sure you jot the name down. It's a polite thing to do. And then you say, I've got my new portfolio ready. I'd love to send it through to you guys. What's the best email address to send it to? And at this point, one of two things will happen. One is you'll get the send it to hello@creative agency, which is you being fobbed off because they don't really want you to bother their important people. And the other is, perhaps if they know you, send it through to so-and-so at creative agency. If you get the first, you need to make sure that when you send the email, you're saying, hello, insert that person's name. If you get the latter, obviously put the name in because you know it at this point. But let's jump onto the computer. I'm going to put this email together. And then at the end of this, I'm going to upload it to my website. So you can all just copy it and just paste it into your own emails. Let's go. So here's my email. Hey, James, or hello, James. I don't put hey, I put hello here because I wanted it to sound professional. Don't put James if the person's not called James. My brother's called James, I just made it up. I just wanted to quickly introduce myself. I am a commercial photographer based in the UK who specializes in food. So what I've told him so far, what it is I am, commercial photographer, because I could be a videographer. Where I'm based, I'm in the UK. What I specialize in food. If you have more than one item in the what I specialize in, you don't specialize in them. Nobody specializes in more than one thing. Now, if it was a certain agency, I might go into more detail here going, I work with a particular graphic style of food. I have attached my PDF of my portfolio below. This attachment of the PDF is not your print res PDF. Do not send a print res PDF. It won't get opened. It won't make it through. It won't get downloaded. Export it as the lowest res you possibly can. Nobody apart from photographers on the internet care about resolution and image quality. They want to see aesthetic, concept, execution. That is all. They don't care about your megapixels and your micro contrast. Is no interest to them. Recently, I've been shooting for. List either the clients you've shot for or the clients and the type of campaign you've shot for them. Don't put Nike down if you've not shot the Nike billboard. Put I've shot social media for Nike. Or if you've shot mostly big work and it's apparent that that's what you do, just list the clients Nike, Adidas, Jaguar, whatever it may be. I don't shoot for any of those people, but there we go. It would be great if we could meet up to discuss collaborating together. Collaborating at this level sort of means getting paid, whereas at the beginning it means getting fleeced. Discuss collaborating together on any suitable projects that you may have in the future. Let me know if you have any availability coming up. And this is when they might get back to you. Now, obviously you can word it, put a question mark in there. You can word it however you want, but it needs to be short. To give you some context, I receive over 100 emails a day from photographers since starting YouTube. If it's longer than this here, I don't read it. It just goes into the bin. Not because I don't want to, but because time's precious. I don't have the time to read an essay. Likewise, when I write for F-stoppers, if someone writes an essay of 5 paragraphs below one of my things with a question to me, I'm not going to read and respond to that. I haven't got time to read an essay. It just doesn't happen. These folks are the same. Everyone's trying to get work from them. Don't make it difficult. Don't make it taxing. Make it easy. Make it, just don't drain people's time. It's as simple as that. But there we go. I'm going to pop this onto my website now so you can literally go on there and copy and paste. I don't really know how to do downloads for you all, but I'm sure a copy and paste will be fine. So I hope that's of use to you. The important thing here is to keep a spreadsheet and dates of contact. You want to constantly prompt them. Don't bombard them once a month or once every 2 months, once every 3 months is ample. The gate's going outside. I wonder if that gets picked up in the audio. We'll see. I hope this short video has been of use to you. If you want to hear more about marketing, hit subscribe because as soon as I have the time, I'm going to do a full market with me day with real phone calls and real emails. I might even pick somebody up and do it for them as their marketing person because I'm kind of maxed out with work at the moment with the current situation as well. It's a bit of a nightmare, but there we go. Hope you've enjoyed this. Do hit like, it helps the channel out a load, and I'll see you all next time.